Today in this video we will learn about how to add social media share buttons into your Drupal website. If you want to add social media share buttons into your Drupal website, then in that case first of all go to your web browser and then enter the given URL. Now from here you need to install a new module, that is AddToAny. The social media share buttons will look something like that. Now here right click over zip file and simply copy link location. Now you need to go inside your Drupal admin panel and then go to extend. Further click over install new module. Now here paste that URL which you copied earlier. Now go ahead with the installation process. You will be able to see that the following module is getting installed successfully. This will also give you success message. Further go to enable newly added modules. Now in this screen you can simply tick mark this module which is AddToAny given under other category and click over install. Now if you check your website from outside, social media buttons are now visible in your website. Now in the same way we can also add more service buttons. Simply go to the same location and then click over share buttons. Now click over configure in front of AddToAny module. Now finally you will find an option called service buttons. Simply add another line in the given format. In this way LinkedIn will be added. Also inside universal buttons section you will be able to customize the buttons. You can set up some extra features from entities section and finally save your configuration. Now in this way a new service button is also visible in the same location at your website.